Hello guys, welcome to my new video featuring Creo modeling technique. In this, I will share the basic creation technique for cast and machining models. And we will also learn how to apply appearances that will not only help the designer, but also the machinist on the shop floor. Okay, let's get started. From cast to machined model, component design is populated with set of features. Let's manage them efficiently by best modeling technique, and distinguish process operations by appearances. Once you have your casting design ready, then it is always best practice to create new part for machined model. After giving it suitable name or part number, click to open drop-down of Get Data. Then pick Merge Inheritance feature. In the Definition tab, click the open icon, and pick the cast model that you created. In the placement, I will choose default placement in the constraint type. Click OK. And one more OK, by applying middle click to add the part. Well, I have added all necessary machining operations. Note that I have used external copy geometry feature to add required datum axis additionally. That will work as references for holes placement. The advantage of using Merge Inheritance feature, we can open the base model from option available, in right-click menu. Most importantly, it makes it easier to handle the casting features and machining features separately. Cast model also contains the machining allowance features, other than shape-defining features, in the end of model tree, or in the feature where possible. Now, let me close this model and let's see the procedure for applying different appearances. For this, go to the View tab. In the Appearance command, pick the suitable color appearance for machined surfaces. The interesting point to note down here, we will apply this to the model, that is a part appearance by type. Let's make this color much brighter in the appearance. And to apply the non-machined surfaces, or the cast surfaces which are intangible, we will pick the surfaces before the machining features. To do this, let's use Insert Here mode, after external copy geometry feature. And pick any one of the surfaces of the part, and in the right-click menu, pick the Solid Surfaces option. By then, we can apply the cast metal appearance to the selection. Note, this appearance is sub-level to the part appearance, that applies to the current surface's state of the part. What I mean by that, when these surfaces are affected by other features, the part appearance will supersede the surface appearance. Okay, let's exit from the Insert Here mode. We will see the affected surfaces, which are created by material removing features, now have machined surface appearance. We can adjust and refine to the suitable color appearance to our requirement. This is it. Hope you have learned new from this demo, and understood the modeling technique used for casting and machining models, and how it leverages the design process. Thank you for staying till the end. Please like, share with your colleagues and comment for your suggestions.